Sembut Menteri Rangba ubah Prestone song ula ong baun Kren ya kajing Pynjlan ya kasamoi terekam ke District Council haga jela Hadien balakut kajing Pynjlan. Ulat kajela ula Pynjlan ya kasamoi ke HADC bar ke HADC syaka Henry ubnai ha ula ber menta usnem batkan kut ha unai lar banwan arajar arpusau. Habatuat jingmut ilat pathai khobor halor kani ubah Prestone ula ong ba umpat kwa ban Kren ya menta Henry un sakren andalakut ke tarik bala Pynjlan ya ka tarik ke banlong ha kasan tarik nailar arajar arpusau. Ulat kajela lingba kajing ai jingbuat ke sorkar jela ula Pynjlan ya kasamoi terekam ke HADC bar ke HADC Hadien bakini ki ar tadi ki council ki lapan bet thamai ki shnong haki constituency jongki nak benta ke HADC ke delimitation committee kala dep ban IT ya ka kaiphat katba ke delimitation committee jong ke HADC ke dangyat katkum ke kendan ya kasamoi terekam jong ke district council la ban Pynjlan sa Henry benai lada ka biang kadau hak juga po dangshan ki shipau tali ke district council but autonomous council ki badan hathan shatai lam ingi gile kendo yu menteri ketenat kampo yang kari India bandawa ban pinstat no ya ka jing penkala ya ka kernet bahan riu kari ti sensyar kari.
We will see. I think I don't know. Extension is 6 months, right?
August it will be over.
August
it will be over.
When
Next month.
Next month. Which day?
5th.
Oh, 5th date. Okay. So let me reply to you maybe before that.
Okay, guys, can you tell us about the amendment pending with the ministry? Are you pursuing it?
That I think you have seen it yesterday. All the 10 district council they met the honourable Home Minister. So I just saw in the media. So I don't know yet what was the outcome and what was the discussion. So let us see when they come back and the assurance given by the honourable